All right. So, welcome to chapter number 2. And our main goal over here is to know more about pandas and installation instructions so that you can kind of follow along with me in the coming lectures. So, first of all, pandas is an open source, high performance, and easy to use data structure that is for Python programming language. Right. So, you can actually look at the link that I have given and read a little bit more comprehensive documentation. There are a couple of books as well. But what we are going to do is we're going to take this particular concept and then we're going to look at what it offers in order for us to manipulate data on need basis, and we'll be able to see how amazingly fast it is and how we can kind of quickly get data from various sources and do some data manipulation. Okay, so if you have taken my module number 1, you should be using the Anaconda distribution, right? So if you have installed Anaconda, Pandas will come pre-installed and you don't really have to do anything. Now, if not, then I would just recommend that you visit this particular website that I have given, and the installation instructions are pretty straightforward and pretty simple. And once you run these steps, you should be all ready to start writing some code to get data, manipulate data, and so on and so forth, right? So what we will do is we will look at a few examples in the next lecture, where what we'll do is we will take very simple data in different formats and kind of try playing with them, right? We'll load it and we'll see how can we kind of play with the data, manipulate the data, sort the data, stuff like that, right? So think of it like, if you have taken one of my database courses, these are pretty much the things that we do, but within the database environment, where we would run select queries, we would run some aggregation, sorting and stuff. But here we are doing it irrespective of where we get the data from. So it's going to be super interesting, so stay tuned. We'll take a deep dive in the next lecture, that is lecture number 3. Thank you.